All right, we're gonna set the stage for this guide here. We want to establish why SEO is so important to manufacturers, and you probably need us to establish our credibility as a search, research, and development agency at Avalanche Creative. So we're going to start by looking at the search term plastic manufacturing processes. We're searching this term in Google, and here are the top results as of August 2019. As you can see in the screenshot here, the top 4 results in the SERPs, or the search engine results page here, are all ads. Now, at this point, you might be thinking, maybe I should be doing pay-per-click ads then. And we wouldn't blame you for thinking that. However, the most important thing to consider when you are building a strategy to attract quality traffic to your website is actually user intent. We don't really know what people are looking for when they search for plastic manufacturing processes. So what is user intent? User intent is what a user online intended or wanted to find online when they typed their search term into an online search engine. In the example above, do you know exactly what the user intent is behind the keyword plastic manufacturing processes? No. We could certainly do our homework and find out what all the possibilities are, but we can't be 100% certain. So paying for ads is a great way to get your business visible, but you could be paying a lot for a searcher that has no intention of hiring you in your plastic manufacturing business. Though we can't be absolutely sure when it comes to this particular keyword, the searcher most likely doesn't know exactly what they're looking for yet. They may be curious about the process of plastic manufacturing. It could be a high school student, for all we know, just doing a research project. It could be your ideal customer trying to understand what to expect from engaging with a plastic manufacturer, either at the research and development stage or possibly at the production stage. You get the idea. Two people that search this term could be looking for completely different things and have different intent. So we aren't saying this keyword isn't a great target for a plastic manufacturing company, but it's crucial to consider user intent when considering a manufacturing SEO and content strategy. So let's look a little bit further down the page, past the ads now. In the image above, you'll notice 2 more SERP, or search engine results page, features here. The featured snippet, which is right here, that is shown when Google is trying to answer the user's question right away. And then the second is the frequently asked questions here. You say, people also ask. These are questions that people are searching for that are related to their initial search. So these often show up to guide the user to find exactly what it is they are looking for. Why do we love seeing these features? Well, it's true that Google doesn't reveal exactly how their powerful search engines work, but they do leave behind breadcrumbs like this. Google is trying to help the searcher find exactly what they are looking for, and that's what keeps them in business, offering great relevant results. That's why they have these features available, and you need to use these features to your advantage if you want your manufacturing company to dominate the search engines. Right here, you can see the number one organic result, is right below the frequently asked questions. Now, we've looked into this page, but without looking into the content of this page, we can tell why it's ranking number 1. It has a fantastic meta description, and it has a fantastic title. If we really think about the intent behind the search term plastic manufacturing processes, the title and description make it clear that the post covers an overview of different plastic manufacturing processes and can even help the searcher make the best selection for their application. That's right here in the description. Now, we did look a little deeper into the content of this page, and it does a pretty good job of answering all of these frequently asked questions under people also ask. If you want to get to the top of Google for a particular keyword, it helps to look at the what people also ask for, and Google is giving it right to you. These are those breadcrumbs we're talking about. So to take it a step further, look at what happens when we select or drop down the answer to one of these questions. You can see that a whole new set of questions come up. Now, 2 great things are happening here. The website that Google is pulling an answer to the question from is getting credit, as you can see right here, which is great for establishing that domain's credibility and authority in the plastic manufacturing space. And two, we see a set of all new questions that will keep happening if you drop down to get more answers. See this? More are coming. Google's search engine is smart. They have data to work from that understands your buyer's search journey online, especially how they ask questions along their buying journey. So if you drop down a particular question, Google will continue to drill down and offer more relevant, frequently asked questions to help the searcher arrive at their answer faster. By using this feature, you can do some amazing things that start to establish yourself as an authority in the manufacturing space. You can gather great content ideas based on these questions that people ask, and you can start to get an idea of how your target market self-educates themselves. And you can really start to dig into what their true intent is behind each keyword. So you can also identify opportunities for offering a better answer to a question to take over one of these spots right here. Every once in a while, you can look at one of these answers and go, hey, that's not all that great, so maybe we can come up with an even better answer. So to bring this all together, the opportunity for attracting quality traffic and generating qualified leads for your manufacturing company is out there. You just need to know how to look for them with a thorough SEO process and think like your ideal customer. Using the frequently asked questions SERP feature, you can help answer the question, what content do I need to write in order to start ranking for this keyword? How can I attract and convert my ideal customer? Keep reading our SEO manufacturing guide to learn more. But that's it.